Welcome back to part 3 of my makeup hacks. I'm going to highlight the brow bone now. Taking some concealer on a flat brush like this, I'm going to place the concealer and blend it with my finger for more natural look. I'm going to apply the same concealer on my lids. You can also use an eye base if you want. Blend it with a blender. Now while that's setting, I'm going to do a little bit of baking and setting the rest of my face with a very small amount of powder. A pro tip for all of you, let your foundation dry before you set it with a powder to avoid a cakey look. Now I'm using the setting spray and I'm going to let it dry on my face before I apply the highlighter. I'm going to apply it on the high points of my face like cheekbone, the bridge of my nose. I'll also apply some on my forehead, my cupid's bow and my chin. So this is how I do my base makeup, which looks flawless on camera and in real life. Stay tuned for part 4 where I'll show you how you can achieve the chicest eye look in 3 easy steps. So I'll see you soon. Stay tuned. Bye bye.